The war veteran and political activist Blessed Geza, who has been at the forefront of a campaign opposing President Emmerson Mnangagwa's alleged attempts to extend his tenure beyond 2028, has revealed that his farm was raided by a group of suspected ZANU-PF supporters on Thursday night. Sanapenda mashuka tunakuti Bomshogesa washandisa his official handle for communication achiexpressa his own feelings pamusoro kwakomana vakareidha kumba kwake kuti wasubscribe like kuti on the bell kuti ipina panapa muzimu ai unonyora chiti. In a statement posted on his official X account, Geza detailed the harrowing experience, indicating that a group of approximately 30 individuals arrived at his farm in 2 trucks. According to Geza, the thugs violently breached the property, cutting through the perimeter fence, smashing windows, and breaking doors at the main house. In quotes, "Fellow Zimbabwe, I want to report to you that a group of 30 thugs using 2 trucks stormed my farm last night, cut the perimeter fence, broke doors, and smashed all window panes on the main house. I strongly suspect they are ZANU-PF sent thugs spoiling for a fight with me," Geza wrote in his post. Geza, who has been vocal in his opposition to what he perceives as Mnangagwa's unconditional attempt to remain in power, expressed his belief that the raid was politically motivated. He named several ZANU-PF figures whom he suspects are behind the attack, including Legal Ziyambi, MP Polite Kambamora, and Councillor Freedom Matawa. The attack on Geza's farm comes amid growing political tensions in Zimbabwe as Mnangagwa's administration faces increasing opposition, with critics accusing the government of undermining the country's constitution and seeking to extend presidential term limits. Geza's outspoken criticism and activism against these perceived threats to democracy have made him a target of what he believes are politically motivated attacks. Ndomashuka ari kuda panapa atiri kuona kuti kwata kwakunoitwa comrade Bombshell at his farm zvinoratidza kuti Bombshell iye ari kubhiliva kuti these guys vari kuda war naye. Mbodza mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.